At Gráfica Ideal, we breathe nature. We are a living ecosystem that transforms the packaging cycle into a safe and sustainable process. Here, everything begins with a seed that is born in the technical department. Driven by creativity and innovation, we turn ideas into successful packaging. Then, the seed travels to the production area of our factory. First, the seed bursts into colour. With our inks, we print packaging with the same quality and diversity found on our planet. Once coloured, the sprout is ready to take shape. As in any sustainable ecosystem, at Gráfica Ideal, waste means new life. During the cutting process, all offcuts are extracted through our duct system, so they can later be reused in the production of more paper and cardboard. New seeds that will become new packaging. In the end, with its branches already in bloom, all that remains is to strengthen the packaging. Since nature is the resin that binds Gráfica Ideal, throughout our process, we strive to take steps that protect it. Because we know that the success of our company and the well-being of the consumer are inseparable from its preservation. What we aim for is to create the finest fruits for our clients. That's why we are part of a select group of companies worldwide with global BRC certification, recognizing that the packaging we produce is completely safe for food use. Packaging that we pack, store, and distribute safely. Our focus is to ensure not only the health of the consumer, but also the future of their home, the planet, so that in every fruit harvested, there is a seed that can return to the earth. Gráfica Ideal. We understand the nature of packaging.